Hey everybody, this is Mr. Roche. I am working with Flappy Bird, and we worked on in class. We worked on some collision detection, and what we're looking for is one of the obstacles to see if it collides with the lion in our Flappy Lion game. And in class, I noticed we need to make a change here. Okay, we're using like the wrong variable here. Okay, there's just like a copying problem, so we did that. We should change this to my x0. Here there's a problem. Here it's the same problem. We should change this to, instead of the lion, it should be changed to my y0. Also, I noticed in the formulas we have a little bit of an error. What we should see is if the lion's x is less than the first obstacle x, and then also see if it's less than the x coordinate, the second x coordinate of the line, and the same thing too for the my x1 too. That's a problem. Okay, and the same kind of problem happened in the second y detection one, where we're looking at the line y0. So this is a greater than sign. This is a greater than sign. This is just like dyslexia, I think. But these should be less than, less than, less than, and then less than. And then just one more thing, just make sure, because we have two if statements. We have an if statement here, and then we're nesting the second if statement. If both the x and y checks are true, then we say that there's a collision. And then it should be two curly braces at the bottom. And that's it. And then if you run it, it should actually be running okay now. So want to see if you guys could get that to happen. Okay, let's check my collision things here. See, now he has a collision, but it only happens a little bit. And if the line's above him, there's no collision, which is great, right? And there's a collision there. And no collision. So that's good. Oh, collision. Okay, so it looks like it's going to play the game really well. Oof, I'm trying to get him to like kind of land on him. There you go, collision. Okay, so that's good. Oh, I don't know if that happened. Oh, I missed him. Okay, but that's what we're sort of looking for. See how there's a collision? Hey. And then we'll deal with that. There's too many, notifications, so we don't want to like worry about the points and stuff. So we have to devise a way to handle that. But that's kind of what's going on. Let's see if we can get this to just, I think I saved it. Yep, like a little one. And that's it. Okay, so thanks. And, basically see if you can get this to work.